Hello, I believe that we deserve to go where we want. Okay? So if you want to go out to dinner, if you want to go on vacation, if you want to just stay at home, if you want to go to the movies whenever you feel like it, you should be able to do that in my opinion. Okay? A great story of this. So some of my best business turning points have been when I was either on vacation or when I decided to turn off my computer and turn off my, smart devices for a couple days. Okay, because I was able to get more clarity. I was able to get more focus. Sometimes I was able to freeze out clients because they're like, "Why is this guy not responding?" I said I wasn't sold yet, and he just didn't respond. And all of a sudden, they start buying from Bryce. We need to understand that once you are able to go where you want and you have control of your life, full control, so full location control and location income independence, then you're going to start to be able to really live in that abundance that you want. Okay, if that's what you've been searching for, you're like, Bryce, I understand I need to be, able to live wherever I want, but my business is just not able to do that for me. I recommend you go check out my free community called Uncapped Growth Strategies. There's going to be a link in the description below. All it does is we give you step-by-step instruction towards how to improve your business, how to improve your life. If that's what you're looking for and you just can't find it anywhere else, go join this group. Have a great day. Talk to you soon and see you later.